Good morning, children. How are you? Are you doing great? In fact, the work that you're sending is great too. We are very happy to see the amazing creative work that you're sending. Your work is neat, it's beautiful, and it's encouraging. It's so nice to see the hard work that you're putting in. And children, I also want to thank your parents for helping you, you know, being at home when the resources are limited, when there are not too many things are available, but still your parents are helping you, in the best possible way. I can see the whole worksheet written with hand in the rough copies. So thank you parents for your cooperation, right? So in the last video, we learned about the sense organs. In fact, we did two activities. One was for the sense of touch and the other one was sense of taste. I hope these two activities helped you to learn more and more about these two senses. So today we are going to cover the other two senses and we are going to do a little deep into them. So the first is sense of hearing. Sense of hearing. Alright, and our ears help us to hear. So children, there are different kind of sounds. Alright, there are different kind of sounds all around us. Some are very pleasant to hear and some are not so good. Some are not so pleasant. So this is a singing bowl. Just listen to the sound carefully. This sound is very similar to a sound that you have heard many times. So let me see if you are able to recognize this sound. Again. Can you guess it? This is the sound of the mandir bell. Actually, when you go to a temple and there is this large bell over there, the sound that the bell makes is very similar to the sound this bowl made. It's a awakening sound, alright? If when we're sleeping and we are not so active and alert when we go to a mandir, that bell actually awakens us. It makes us alert, conscious. Where are you? What are you doing here? Okay, so we are in a mandir and then we become more conscious and we become more aware of what we are doing. So that is one sound that we have in the mandir. And there is this another sound. Alright, this is a bigger bowl. It has different material than this one, and this bowl makes a different sound too. Just hear it. It's still vibrating. You know what this is, children? This is a Tibetan singing bowl, alright, which is used for meditation. It has a very soothing, calming sound. It is very different from the other bowl, right? So, like that, there are different kind of sound. Have you heard a sound of a crying baby? How does it make you feel? You don't want to listen to such sound, right? And have you ever heard a bird singing or your favorite singer? You want to listen to those sounds more and more. So depending upon your mood, depending upon your taste, you want to listen to sounds that connect with you, that you want to hear more and more. That's about sound, right? And we're going to do deep into another sense organ, which is the sense of smell. Our nose helps us to smell. So children, our nose is capable of 1000 different kind of smells. Today we're going to do an activity to enhance our sense of smell. I am going to blindfold my son Siddharth. Siddharth, please come here. So he's Siddharth.
Hi everybody.
And I'll just blindfold him and he will smell different things and he has to identify what is he smelling. Siddharth, can you see something?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Alright. So, the first item.
That's an orange.
Right answer.
Mango.
Mango.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Cumin seeds.
Cumin seeds.
Clove.
Clove. Can you smell this? Let me see if you can smell this.
Chocolate.
It's chocolate. Smell of chocolate. Let me see if you can smell this and identify the smell.
Achar.
This is achar. This is pickle. Very good. And can you identify this smell?
Chips.
This is, yes, potato chip smell. Very good. You're good at this, Siddharth. And what about this smell?
Fenugreek leaves.
These are fenugreek leaf. They have a very strong smell. All right. So you also have to do this activity at home where you will, your parents can help you, take out some things from the kitchen and they'll blindfold you and then you have to smell and tell what are you. You have to smell and tell what actually that thing was. All right. Thank you, Siddharth. So you can remove your blindfold now. Children, we have learned about sense organs and we have done many activities to, make our knowledge more concrete, to learn more and more about it. Now, there is this worksheet which we want you to do and I'll explain you how you have to do it. If you look here, in this worksheet, these are the pictures. What are these? These are the different pictures of your sense organs like your eyes, nose, ear, tongue and your hand or your skin. So eyes help you to see, your nose helps you to smell, ears helps you to hear and your tongue helps you to taste and your palm or your skin helps you to touch. All right, and these are the different things. Now you have to read them like cotton. When you touch cotton, which sense organ helps you to identify whether it is, what kind of material is this? So that will go to sense of touch. So you will write cotton over here. And then music. What helps you to hear music? It's your ears. So you will write music over here. And then candy. How do you know what is the taste of the candy? Whether it is sweet, not sweet. Then your tongue helps you to identify that taste. So like that, you have to read these different words. So let's read them together now. Cotton, music, candy, perfume, cartoon, cheese, rhymes, flower, photo album, feather, burnt milk. Burnt milk has a different kind of a smell, right? Horn. You know the horn blows and makes noise? Moon. Curd. Curtain. Chips. Video game. Smoke. Prayer. You sing prayer every morning, so that's music, right? Table. So once you table, you can touch and feel how the table is. So like that, you have to read these words, understand, and then you have to decide in which category they will fall. And then actually there are 5 of them, 5 for each one of them that you will write. Alright. So that's about this activity. You can do this activity on a plain sheet of paper or on a rough copy and send it to us. That's about today's video, children. Thank you so much. Take care.